the morning, you wake up before everyone in the house, you get in the car, and you drive through this vacancy of everything's closed. You pull up to the hospital, you strap on your gear, and you go face to face with this invisible virus, this enemy.
The COVID-19 pandemic is a significant challenge to healthcare providers. Because of the high mortality of the infection and because of how it's easily transmitted to other people, healthcare providers take a significant personal risk in taking care of these patients.
And despite the risks and fears of the COVID crisis, our staff have showed up every day, courageously taking care of their patients, showing empathy and respect in all that they do for them.
Well, as the leader of the medical staff, what we quickly did was recognized that this disease is going to require everyone's help. So all the medical staff was called on, and I'm proud to say that each and every one of them stepped up.
The frontline caregivers have had a significant amount of both personal and professional toll during this crisis. They've had to undergo not only social distancing from their friends and family members, but also expose themselves to a significant amount of self-risk as well as professional risk.
This pandemic has stressed everyone close to the breaking point, and everyone from the people who have changed the airflow to the people who are taking care of the patients, all deserve immense credit, and we're proud of all of them.
True colors come out during a crisis, and I couldn't be more proud of the staff, like Dr. Fagan mentioned, from janitor to physician and everything in between.
People have worked as a team, people have stepped out of their comfort zone to help out, people have stayed longer hours to participate in the care of our patients. I am so incredibly proud.
Well, I only started at Crozier a few months ago. It has really been an honor and a privilege to help support the nurses, doctors, patient care technicians, dietary aides, environmental service workers, advanced practice clinicians, and everyone else who's been on the front line of fighting through this pandemic.
Our sense of teamwork and respect for each other is strengthened with every passing minute as we work together towards a common goal to fight COVID-19. And the patients we care for, they're our heroes.
Across CharterCare, we've seen our fair share of coronavirus patients, and one thing that's just been so impressive to see is how our academic departments have come together to bring cutting-edge therapies in this new frontier of medicine that none of us have faced before, and using those therapies to have some really phenomenal outcomes in patient care and success.
Outcomes is really great with our team. And I think the most proud that I am with our team is the perseverance for them to overcome any challenges that we've had so far.
We know that this fight is far from over, but I also know that together, anything is possible. We will get through this, and again, I thank you for what you're doing each and every day. I'm so proud.